let the vlogging begin.
I'm trying to get home. Got a major storm coming in. I am going to hunker down back here in the Jeep, somewhere in the back parking lot. It's supposed to be in the single digits, freezing weather. Fleet is starting to hit. Snow should be here within the hour. It's going to be game on from there. Let's see what happens with this weather. Hopefully it's not too intense, but it's expected to be really bad. You may have heard about it nationally. It's supposed to be really bad. I kind of covered up some of the windows here. Horrible job there. Not much on that one, but for now it's okay. I've got a little setup here. I'm going to be watching a video that Adam the Woo did, and I'm going to sit back and enjoy the show. Very comfortable in here. I've got my ravioli. It's not bad, Cole. Nice and toasty. Feet are warm. I've got the Woo on here. And it's pretty nice. Pretty good. All right, I want to give you a quick weather update. The sleet and snow is really coming down right now. It's white outside. I'll show you in a minute. Here's the current weather though right now. It's currently 18 degrees and it is snowing with frozen mix, which is sleet as well. It's dangerous to be outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you outside, and then after that, I'm gonna come in and probably go to sleep and weather this out till tomorrow so there's a little daylight. All right. It is really coming down. I don't know if the camera picks this stuff up or not, but like I said, it is 18 degrees and there is sleet, mainly sleet right now. As you can see, it is sticking to the ground. There's been snow. I don't know when it's gonna stop. It looks like it said sometime early in the morning, just for a little bit, but then it's gonna pick back up again is what I read. So it's gonna get pretty cold. I'm sure this pond right here will probably be frozen by morning because the temperatures are supposed to continue to drop. I'm at Bucky still, but I'm gonna get in the Jeep here and I'm gonna go ahead. Well, my hair is ice. Oh, wow. I'm gonna get in the Jeep here and then I'm gonna, that stuff is sharp. And then I'm gonna get some sleep and try to sleep in a little bit. So I'm gonna say goodbye as wind keeps picking up. The vlog is over.